Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Boulder Bond. Welcome back. Today I'm doing a Use It Up week in my Erin Condren Life Planner. Now, if you're not familiar with my Use It Up weeks, I like to take a bunch of used sticker sheets and try and make a cohesive spread. Now, I keep a lot of my used sticker kits and other people's stickers in a box in my everyday craft drawer. That way I have it at arm's reach whenever I need to use a sticker. I try and grab from that box first. So if you guys did not see my everyday craft drawer, I will leave a little link in the left-hand corner if you guys want to check that out and how I have that set up. Now I'm putting down all of my headers. This is actually from the very first kit I designed, which was Strawberry Fields. So very old sticker sheet that I needed to use all of the stickers. So I do try and keep it, like I said, cohesive, but sometimes I just really want to use the stickers up, and I do the best I can to make it look like a cohesive spread. So you don't have to be perfect when you're doing a Use It Up week. You can see there's purples, pinks, blues, greens, just really fun colors. I really enjoy using it. It makes me feel so good to be able to finish off my sticker sheets just like I do with my makeup as well. It's just a really nice feeling to finish off your sticker sheets. So I am pulling stickers, you guys can see, from lots of different kits. That sticker sheet to the left just had 2 full box checklists, so I decided to use those on Saturday and Sunday. I also grabbed a full sheet of check flags. These are super old too. I don't even think those made it to the shop. So I am trying to use those up as well. I just wanted to make sure that they actually fit since they're so old. I wasn't sure if they fit the new Erin Condren boxes, although the Erin Condren boxes haven't changed so much from the past. Now, if I have used any stickers from any other shop other than my own, I will leave a link to that down below, although I will try and let you guys know when I am using stickers from another shop, but sometimes I forget to do that. So just check down below just in case I forget anyone. So I'm putting down some glitter headers that I had left over. Now I also found this one-off weekend banner. It didn't have any name or shop on it, so unfortunately I can't leave that down below or tell you where I got it from. It is super cute. It has cute little black and white bows, and it's just a black and white weekend banner, and I just thought, you know what, I gotta use it. It's just one sticker, so that made me feel good to already get rid of one sticker sheet, even though it's just one little sticker, but it was all on its own. I do plan on doing another sticker declutter. I didn't really do a huge sticker declutter in my craft room declutter series, so if you guys want to see that video, definitely let me know down below. I also want to do an updated sticker storage and collection. I think I'll actually keep those separated since right now the sticker storage that I am using is not really the way I want it. So I want to do the declutter and then show you the updated sticker storage. So let me know if you guys want to see that video. So I'm planning on Monday now. I put down a YouTube sticker. This is one of my larger YouTube stickers. I have a ton of older ones that are kind of like misfit stickers, so I wanted to make sure that I got rid of those. I also put down my cute little cocoa or coffee sticker because I have a ton of orders that I usually need to do on Monday since I can't do those orders on Sunday. And then I also put down a mail sticker because of course I have to go to the P.O. box to mail them all. And then I put down one of my planning bonbons because I'm going to be designing pretty much all day Monday, and then doing like descriptions and pictures and all that stuff for all of my new releases that come out on Tuesday. Now my new releases are going to be changing up a bit for September. I am going to be having 2 very large sticker releases on Fridays in September, and then the other 2 days will be still on Tuesday. I just kind of want to see what you guys think of the Tuesdays and Friday releases. I don't want to mix it up too much for you guys. So there's going to be 2 Tuesdays where I have big restocks and sticker revamps, and then 2 large new releases on Friday. So if you guys want to know when I have new releases and all that stuff, definitely follow me on my Facebook group, because that is where I let everybody know first. I'm just finishing off on Wednesday here. A lot of the stickers I have used so far are from my Believe collection, because that is what I used for August. I also used a couple stickers from my old nurse kit called Caring for Life. Now I'm also putting down a little laptop sticker. This is not in my Use It Up stash. Every now and then I do allow myself to pull from my regular stash when I don't have a sticker that I actually need. Of course, I want to be able to use all of my stickers as well. I'm just finishing up on Thursday here. I do plan on doing a ton of research on new products. When I did do my Q&A video, I had someone ask what new products I was going to be adding to the shop. I do have a ton of things in mind, but if you guys have anything in particular that you guys want to see me come out with, definitely let me know down below. I'm also going to be printing and cutting all day Thursday and pretty much Friday as well, because I do plan on releasing my sticker bundles early, or shipping them out, I should say, earlier than usual, because Labor Day is on the 1st, and of course the post office is closed on the 1st, so I like to ship my sticker bundles from the 1st to the 6th of the month. This way, if you're signed up to my Ultimate Sticker Bundle, where it comes with a matching monthly kit and note kit, you have plenty of time to put these in your planner for October. So I just put down a cute little Johnny Cakes on Friday, just to signify that I need to start shipping the bundles on Friday. I also put down a don't forget header along with 2 heart checklists and a grocery cart. These were all from the Believe collection that I already did in August. So you can usually use one full sticker kit at least twice in your planner, if not more than that. So if you're ever stuck on how to use up all of your stickers, I would recommend focusing on using up one kit and then adding in other people's stickers or other kits to round out that whole week in your planner. So that is typically how I go about doing a Use It Up week, is just trying to focus on finishing up one kit and then pulling in tons of other stickers to finish it off. So on Saturday, I'm just putting down a couple other stickers. I did put down the balloons, which is actually from H Kitty Design. I will be having a Labor Day sale this weekend, so definitely mark your calendars for that. And of course, Patty had to come join us during the plan with me. She is super shy, though. I can very rarely get her to actually look in the camera. So if you guys ever want to see Patty, you guys will have to follow me on Instagram. That way you guys can actually see her face. So on Saturday, I put down a little beach chair sticker. That is actually from Design Pandemonium. And below that, that sticker is from One Orange Snowflake. And then on Sunday, I'm just putting down my YouTube sticker, because of course that is when I film my Plan With Me videos. And then I also found this sheet where I have a ton of half box glitter boxes. I thought I would put them all the way down at the bottom. I tend to actually use all of my long washi strips for each one of my Plan With Me videos, so I very rarely have any washi strips left over. If they're the top borders or the bottom borders, I just don't have them. So I hope this inspired you to use up your own sticker stash. If it did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!